Hey guys, how you doing? Today I want to talk to you about the my new filtering system for the water. If you've been RVing long enough, you know that water is one of the most important things. And every park you go to, the water is not as good as you think it's going to be. So fortunately in our RV we have 3 stages of filters. We have our inline filter that comes straight from the spigot. We have the wet bay filter system that goes into the whole RV, and then we also have a filter on our residential refrigerator. So that makes a big difference, being able to filter it 3 times before it even gets in there. So I met a company back in January of this year at the Tampa RV show, and it's a CLEAR2o, and they have a inline filter like we typically use on the RVs. Normally it's the blue one. The difference between the green filter and the blue filter that you get, this is a solid core filter, carbon filter that takes up to 1 micron of filtering to it. The blue ones that you get on Amazon or at Walmart, those blue ones that you see, or the white ones that you see, it's actually a powdered filter, carbon filter, and it only takes out about 20 microns. What CLEAR2o has done is that they've added a second stage filter to it. So what I'm going to do, if you want some more of the technical information on this filter, I'm going to link it up here, the video that I did back in January, which is the owners of the company talking about the filter itself from the Tampa RV show. I'll link it right up here. Clarification, this is not a sponsored video by CLEAR2o. They did send me this filter, the second stage filter, to try out and see if I liked it, but it is not a sponsored video by them. So I had been using the green one since about May or so, and I was very pleased with the taste of the water inside the RV. This has made a big difference. Not only is it collecting sediment and sand and all kinds of other stuff before it even goes into the inline filter or my wet bay filter or my refrigerator filter. Let me show you something. That's the color of the filter. We're going to rinse it off here in a minute so I can show you. They recommend to change these every 6 months. Obviously the canister you don't have to change, but the filter every 6 months. This is just 1 month. I have it labeled on the filter here, on the canister, on 8/20. So that was a month ago, and that's how much is collected in a month already. So I am very pleased with that. This pre-filter really is making a big difference. It's collecting a lot of sediment, a lot of rust, a lot of sand before it even goes into the online filter. So what do you get with the dirt guard? You get the canister, you get the pre-filter, small hose, and also the wrench. You also get a backwash adapter. So I've made some modifications to my system here. What I've done, there's a supply hose, it's on my regulator. I've actually put a quick connect here and a quick connect in the bottom of the inline filter. So something else I wanted to do, I didn't want to leave this by the sewer hoses or anything like that, so I wanted to find a place I could put it. And what I ended up doing is finding a glove box. This is my old glove box. What I did is I just expanded it a little bit, and when we travel, it sits right there. So CLEAR2o, if you're watching this video, maybe you need to come up with some kind of a holder that you can put on the RV someplace in the wet bay. So in conclusion, I just want to say that I've been really pleased with the CLEAR2o sediment filter, the pre-filter, and also the inline filter. I've noticed in the last, I've been using the inline filter for about 5 months. That changed the taste of the water. And then the sediment filters, you noticed, I mean, the rust that was coming out of that filter was just crazy. I'll leave links to Amazon right on the bottom of this video so you can check it out yourself, and I will definitely continue to be using these. I highly recommend it. And this is my own personal opinion. Again, this is not a sponsored video, but I do recommend this filter for anybody that RVs and moves around a lot. because you never know what you're going to find in your water. Thanks again for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe to our channel, hit that bell, and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out a lot. Thank you for being here. Have a great day. Bye-bye.